We're on the '02 Civic Honda. I believe it's '02. Let me just make sure it's where you can find it. It's actually a '03 1.7 liter, and we're changing the belts out. So we got the AC belt and the drive belt. So it's the old AC belt, which is still good. So we got AC belt, drive belt right there. So to take off this AC belt, all you got to do is you can loosen this wing nut. It's super oily under there, as I can see. You're going to loosen this wing nut a good amount. And this nut right here is actually a 13 millimeter. Once you loosen this one, the power steering pump will slide up and down. This is actually how you tighten the belt back up. So after you do that, the AC belt comes right off. And it's easy if you have a jack, because you can pull it off right from the bottom. Now, we have this other drive belt, which is right here. So, how I got this one is, there is the wing nut right there. So you loosen that wing nut, and right at the bottom, right here, this nut there, it's a 12 millimeter. As soon as you loosen that, you'll be able to see the alternator shift downwards. So now it's loose enough where I can put my hand down here, like this, belt right off. I'm gonna come back down here, pull the belt right off. As you can see, the belt's getting ate up. So it's really simple. Just gonna repeat the process, putting it back on. So get the AC belt, drive belt here. We're gonna put it back on. Now I got my drive belt, which is the big one, in place. So on this one, the diagram, it's gonna go around this main crank. It's gonna go around the alternator and around this AC pulley. So, basically all I did was just force it on the ridges. You need to make sure that it's on there. There it is. So now that that's on there, I can what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna push the alternator up with like a flathead or something, just to keep it pushed up as I tighten down this bolt right here with my fingers on.